or most welcome to my channel. In today's video, guys, I am so happy to inform you that we are finally doing plumbing pipe work into the house. Remember the guy? No. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, guys, I am so happy to inform you that we are finally going to be doing plumbing pipe work in the house. Today, thank you so much, Mama Teresa, for funding all this whole project, for funding the plumbing pipe work. Mama, thank you so much. Thank you so much for blessing a stranger. Thank you so much for financing this whole thing, Mama. I am so happy. I am so happy. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Lord. Today we are doing plumbing pipe work. And again, guys, tomorrow we shall be doing electricity pipe work. Tomorrow we are doing electrical pipe work. Today we are into plumbing, and I want to take you through the whole project. I want to take you through everything, step by step, showing you everything, how it is done, because this is my first time seeing this, witnessing this. So I feel that I should be taking you through this whole journey. So I'm going to be taking you step by step. Each step I'm going to be updating you guys. And this work is going to be done in only one day, guys. That is the best part of it. Okay? So guys, let us start. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the post notification bell. And guys, remember to comment in the comment section. Let us interact, guys. Why not? Commenting is free. Subscribing is free. Just give the video a like. So let us start, guys. And also I have my son right here, Shadrach. Let me show you, Shadrach. Let me show you. So that is it, guys. Let us start. Let me take you through all the steps, and then tomorrow come very early on this channel so that I show you the progress of electricity pipe work. But for today, let us start, guys. Let us start right away. So guys, we are trying to measure where everything is going to be placed. Yeah.
Set up yaffe tugenda kukulanga kusokera kwandyo
aseyo bwe naba nfunye sente otekawo buno obulabirwamu obwawuza
kusinzira measurements zenkoze toilet nkitaddeyo nti okisoboka gwe okusalawo n'oteekawo kagirasi with time onaba ofunye sente.
Yes, nja kola nja zifuna
ekinaabiro toilet.
Yes sir.
So kati toilet ejagenda wano bensin yebe esooka wano then eno eri shower bathing area kyoyagala kyokolerayo
So guys, you can see we are chiseling. You can see right here the provision for hand washing basin. Also another, this is the kids' bedroom, guys, as you can see. Let me show you. You can see this is the provision for hand washing basin right here. You can see in the wall. That's where the pipes are going to pass. And also right here. And the provision for shower right there. You can see the space. We are still doing the work. I expect the work to be done only in one day. And also you can see where the pipes are going to pass. You can see right there. There. You can see. That's it. So guys, you can see that we are chiseling the outside part. I think this is for drainage purposes. When we get the sock pit right this side here, that is where I'm going to be putting the sock pit. The provision for drainage, it is there for the first bathroom. And also for the second bathroom, it will be right here, this side. Wakolachi? Clean water. Ate ya drainage byebiriwa.
Wanene wezifulumirayo.
Clean water avaawo.
Clean water ava kutanka.
So guys, according to the technician, he has told me that this is the provision for clean water. For clean water which comes inside the house from that tank. I told you earlier on, guys, that tank, I'm going to be putting that tank up on the toilet, up on the pit latrine. You can see. I'm still building this pit latrine up. So up on the pit latrine, very up, that is where I'm going to be putting the tanks for water. So the water will be coming from the tanks up from the pit latrine in future when I finish, and the clean water will be provided from this space. You can see they are chiseling right here. It will be going into the house, into the bathrooms from this side for clean water. Point of correction, guys. Guys, you can see right here. I want you to see very well this side right there. I'm going to be putting a hand washing basin right here. This space is for dining actually. After eating or before eating, we shall be washing our hands right here. So they are going to do some plumbing work right there, the pipe work. And also this is a store, guys. As I told you earlier on, the house couldn't have a proper kitchen. So we only had a store, as you can see. So this store is going to be containing somewhere where I can cook from, a cooker, and also a sink right here. So they are trying to measure so that they chisel that place and we do the pipe work earlier on before we do the plastering part. This is, by the way, how the floor looks like after drying. Last time, guys, I took a video when we are powering this concrete slab, but I never showed you how it turned out. You can see how clear it turned out. Can see? How hard? Anag. After the chiseling part, guys, you can see they are done with chiseling. You can see that is where the pipes are going to be passing from. You can also see right there, you see, and also the side right here. The first bathroom, that is how the chiseling part has gone. That's how. And also the hole there for drainage, the hole right there. And also you can see here there is a hole. This hole is for clean water supply into the bathroom. You can see also the chiseling goes up to this side, even up there. You can see right here, up until up there. That is a shower. That is for shower. And also here, you can see. This is the first bathroom, guys, I'm showing you. Also, here is the second bathroom. For the master bedroom, you can see the chiseling has also been finished. You can see right there. Also that side. The pipes are going to be passing through the wall. I'm going to be showing you the whole process, guys. And also you can see here, this is provision for clean water supply and also for drainage right there. All that dirty water goes from here, or even the residues from the toilet. The shower right here, the shower provision. You can see. So here are the materials, guys. As I told you, the plumber told me that he will buy his own materials. So I didn't go with him to the shop to buy. But here they are. They have just brought them. And also some others right here. That's it. I wasn't able to go to the hardware to buy them with him. I respected his decision. I just want the best. So guys, we are getting electricity from the neighbor, you can see. We are trying to get the electricity from there. You see the wire? It goes up to the house. And see, we have to use this machine right here. It uses electricity, so that's why we have got electricity from the neighbor. We have connected from the neighbor's house. These are some of the materials we are going to be fixing in. You see, guys, it is dark, but I think you can see the work. This is the pipe work they have done in the common bathroom. You can see right here, this is a hand washing basin. Its provision is right here, as you can see, guys. Then this is the provision for the toilet seat. This is the provision. And also, right here, you can see, I'm going to be asking, this is for the heater. Yeah, this is for the heater. And also the shower right there, guys. Yeah, this is the common bathroom. Let me show you from outside. And you see, that is it. And also for drainage, guys. For drainage, it is right here. You can see. So guys, you can see this is actually the master bedroom bathroom. You can see the work going on, the pipe work. By the way, guys, for information, we are only doing the pipe work, but this plumbing phase has 3 phases, I think. There is pipe work, the drainage, and also the final part when even the tiling has been done. We have to bring the sit-on toilet and also the hand washing basin, the water heater, and also the shower mixer. Those will be at the end after tiling the house and also after painting the house. But for now, this is the first stage we are on, the pipe work, only that. Then after the pipe work for electricity and plumbing, we shall be doing the plastering work, and I'm going to be filming that. I'm going to be showing you the process, guys, at the end. So right now, this is what we are trying to do. We are doing the pipe work for the main bathroom. Let me show you guys. There you go. So guys, this is the machine. We are using electricity from the neighbor actually. kale nina essimu esobola okukwata content omulungi naye sinnagigaye bagikozesa
iPhone. Yabadde mu kikadde kyala kitene ku kizimane bandi babeerayo ekikadde ebasa ewamuyindi ate bagira buli ekinayo ekiyiwa wali ogulu wali okasa bukulu kasa bukulu ate ekinala kyabiwa ennaku kulikodinga ebugambe ekirala katongolo ne gundi ne data ebyo byamanyi data pub ne ize ba eri wano ng'emaaso gadde waddi ebayi tema ate eri wali
kuzinga yagwa bugu obutulaba bulungi kati bino byokwata bifu tola okiraba
nakufuna singa yayogedde omwana owe dada bakwata bintu bya kizikiza
oyo mwana yaliko n'essimu obadde manyi abimanyi
nteeka mu feesi gyasinga oteeka ajja guma kati ye ne taata we omukola kaati wooko nankufuna
osimba bukasa weetala n'obwana ku piki
nga tebananga olowooza
se waliwo bakuliega ayibu oyaŋŋambye
abantu bebayinza okunsiŋŋaanira ngamba munnimiro
Ayubu musiru ate Ayubu yanyiza
singa bankwata
Ayubu mukubira esimu mugamba
jampa ova
Ayubu mugamba Ayubu mbona emitwalo 5 ngenda gikuddiza Ayubu nganda ngya kisiru oli bulijjo muwa sente tusula ku mogo nga taziwayo kwa boy ngosile piki bagala gitwalo bwalo baga kwatanga baga ngabanye dola 3 mwenda nga ngole na mitwalo 2 nga nange nayo mitwalo 5 nga nonye 10 Ayubu ngosi muga Ayubu mpola mama
nkata alina tyo kuweza 3 mwenda
mbuzo za ibabera ne sente
oli atategeera
naye Ayubu tali ana sente
bamusasula mwaka amuyi asumbo tuzileta katwere wali alete ebintu
katwere yanona yemuvuzi
ana bada kwa
ofuuka serious
ekituufu kyo
ate abantu beri nga
bwe nfuna chance eyo nga bagitudde nange
Guys, you can see this is the outside part. The inside part is almost finished. We are only remaining with the plaster. And also this other bathroom is like this outside. And also you can see, also here it is like that. The outside part you can see the provision for clean water and also the provision for drainage right there.
Ajua yali tabuze naye
ate saabagamba
naye oba yali muki kandi bayagula emiti nga teyaŋŋamba
nanyiniyo yakola ku byepiki yamanyi
yasimatuka mpola nedda
egambe zaabwe temanyi ntunanga aloola
kati mbadde nsomagenda ate kati kali bunodo kati tugenze
anyeetera okunywa ku njaga yebadde ekusemagezi
Awo siriiwo. Baba
tolina maanyi nawe ennaku zino tokyalya kawunga luli walinga oli akawunga ku saiti.
sikyalya kawunga ssebo jamu.
Tolwana zinde buli mu kulwana
Siyinza gakyali.
gayina gye galaga gali kahitinga n'okuhitinga.
Guddewo.
Nze ndi wekyannamukaaka
Ojopese nekuvuga enkutwale.
ontwalewo
Ewamu.
ewaffe ndeka ontwale bukoba nsembi
Ate saagendayo. Naye nga newebuuza ngenze kimaki.
sala gwe tuveewo tugende.
Kama Katonda.
Now guys, we are putting in the sink for this stove. I remember in this stove I'm going to be using a sink and also a cooker right there. So we are putting a water provision right there. Let me take you outside and you see. That's how it is.
abalongo
Nga balongo babajjawo siriwa.
bankuba sikyategeera ne byenkola.
Olwasa mpozi yabagamba atya?
Bangamina kakuseewa.
Bando. Nga tutuula.
Jawo kwata video. Omutunulira ennyindo y'abagonyi.
Sebo. Basiza wabasebo kati bafunayo empya. Nze nategeeza.
Abasajja batalina familiarity.
Kati nze nja kuvuma.
Teeka wajja yabule mu butengene. Ngai nasibi.
Ani asibi?
Nze. Nasibi era okusiba mu kuka kwange gabadde menvu.
Naye kyobona bya 15 mu kiro kimu n'ekitaano. Ate bwe yagala nagenda nteekakola ye. Nga tayagala kukola.
Bwali bwawo.
Bwali eyo kigogo.
Alika akirinze.
Naye watonodde wabeera nga kirinze watonodde tatemya.
Alika yibasi.
Ngamba enkyankeere neme kunaaba.
Ezo embeera zammwe ezo zeero
Ffe tunaaba.
ezo embeera zammwe.
Katabeera wekabeera.
Kirakolesa.
Jasita obulimba kunzigira bujjizi.
Oba wamubba.
Oweewa.
Kimuzuba wa balubaale.
Okuyimba tekitegeeza nti nnooli. Nga naye woyimba nandolaavu. Kinaolovu.
Njagala piki kati mukadde. Nobeerawo ekiro weesula mu
Teekamu.
weesula mu nju teweebaka. Lutove enamba lina gisuza mu nju n'ekiseebaka. Abavuga ng'ekya Peter. Peter ne wakisuula mu katogo tebakibba. abanene negative
gamba egondi yonga yetebagibba
kiwagi tebazibba
bagitema sipeya
Solomon mbaye emu gumu kitundu olunaku awuju njivugidde ebbanga ki eyo eri myezi 3 nayo giraba ekyayimi jimpe namba ki kasebera ng'ekyayimiridde ngenda zizaako kati nkulayira tugenda kuddamu genda site zigenda beerako n'element ngenda gijjayo
lwaki toyagala element omutwalo okuba tegwasobolanga gwanseenene
omutwe munene element ebenyiga
jawa amatu kyogaba abaleetera butono
ate olowooza nnene sebo olaba mogo bakuwa element ne bakuwa ne kamapensa nze bampa kano
Now guys, you can see that the pipe work is done in both bathrooms, as you can see. And also in this other bathroom, the common bathroom, also the pipe work has done. We are trying to make the final touches so that we can plaster the pipes such that they are not seen, they are not naked, they are not seen. Yeah, we just cover them in plaster. Also, this is done. Let me show you outside. Outside looks like this. This is for the sink. This is the provision for hand washing basin inside. The hand washing basin near the dining area, guys. Also, it is done. Plus, also outside. The main bathroom for the master bedroom. The master bedroom is right here. And also for the common bathroom right here. This is also done. That is how it looks outside. Now guys, the next part is to mix cement and sand, plus some water, so that to make what we call plaster. Yeah, we are going to mix from here. We are only going to mix from here. We are going to mix here for convenience so that it may be easier to transport the plaster from here up to the bathrooms. The better. Shadrach!
Mmoja yakonye eno. Sasa no, kanya ine experience.
Ga yo tonyumya butwanga bwo.
Mwaka yagala kuba nyingi.
Ngafa fina.
Twamanye batamira ngo bugola. Nera linyindo oba walinyo enjagoba ali batya.
Kulaba nawe twebuuza ngeri gy'onaabe.
Olaba tategeera nga talinyo.
Ojjawo omulaba we yakonye.
Naye omuntu amala amanyiisa ennyonjo.
So guys, you can see that we're in the final part. We are trying to cover the pipes.
Give me freedom, give me fire. Wanje sebo. Wanje. Bade ndi mukono. Kali.
Jose, soko kuba okani washugasa hivi bendo. Otebagala mwana abawala mutebagala.
Tika ku.
Abana abawala. Kato kwatide mwati n'empale yange tukala.
Ebituli.
Wano otukulawo ki wano?
Sebo timo waza kubuko. Waza kubuko. Timo. Ina katono.
Natuka.
Ngambi nani?
Ngambe katono. Okukuso chai na wangi yo.
Galinga bagamba soda mbwa batafaanagana.
Era n'owendera wanjawulo Pepsi. Nywa ka Pepsi keeri ekyambogo. Naye nga keeko. Manyi mbeera kyambogo.
Ajja. Omukutera yiringa beng'anyi.
Biro yige Diplomax.
Ngenda giwa obudde kasooke maliriza ebyamasannyalaze. Amasannyalaze
Koleta.
Naye wamasannyalaze anaakola olunaku olumu.
Simanyi naye yangambye agenda yiwa wano abaana bangambye agenda kukeera nnyo. Naye tangambye nti agenda kikolera lunaku lumu. Naye angambye agenda yiwa abaana batemeteme ebiseera.
Kati kitegeeza okuteekamu kosanti. Ntongerayo.
Era ekitundu. Kitundu.
Era nga
Netimo. Teka.
ika wali okubayo bulungi leke baleme kubbira ate baleme kuwa anti ne wayagala kujja kwebaka ng'ebisuubizo yabisudde ebiwaka.
Kyogera nako.
Yebyo biri mujja kuddamu ebyo ng'oza.
Bizimbi ya birina.
Muzeyize namulabiddewo ku makya engeri gye yabadde ayogeramu.
Yanyize.
Nemaye.
Naye siribye. Ate ndi wano nsaba Katonda bireke kunswaza. Era ndi namukutya ngamba bayinza oba biteekamu omusenyu.
Bonga bo.
Tebasobola kikola.
Kitukoze tebasobola. Bakati aderi wabweru akanyugemu omusenyu.
Kulamba yali asirise. Nali ate naliwo nga nyina obudde bungi. Namugamba se wano tukole tutya.
Nti ogeze n'omugamba aba TikTok bazze. Nti tujja balaba.
Tujja kukwatagana ku plaster, tujja kutereera.
Yaggumuwa.
Oba plaster? Plaster ye wowe. N'ebisigadde byonna kuba bisobola. Ne wano agume.
Alunamala ng'omutuma owa Tairos nga naye amukuleetera.
Owa Tairos? Ye yennyini yazisiba. Mbu.
Muze yakola emirimu.
Buli bumu agukola.
Ne ka finishing ka copying anakakola.
Mbu.
Kati nga bajja kuguza kapa mu.
Era yabindagadde ku ssimu.
Nga kyekyo masabu.
Abikola bulungi.
Naye nga tandaga nti kale ye yalimu mu vidiyo naye ng'abindaga nga birungi birabika bulungi yali andaga.
Kuzikira awo baddamu gyezeekolawo. Oba levo yo gonna atambulira kweri naye okudda mu drainage webeera drainage levo yo obeera wagikola dda.
Byonna nagibata kyesalawo. Timo.
Eyo pipe esigala kungulu eno. Bwe tuba tunamala nga nnyumba ewedde. Aha, so muzimbi mwamulabye. Baki? Aba TikTok. Bebangana bana atera okukola ki? Ate ebintu twasobola kujja n'abisikamu ebyo. Bwe nateekawo amadirisa baali bangambye nti omuntu asobola okujja n'agajjamu.
Ago bagabbira ddala.
Ne baŋŋamba bunsasule omuntu asulemu. Nali ŋŋaanye. Ne baŋŋamba gweva mu kisaaga.
Bagabbira ddala. Olaba n'ebino esimayo ebipika. Nabyo baziba.
Mukama bw'ogenda buziikiramu ntya. Eyo payipu. Nzaagala. Sinnabakola faamu sijja tereera mu nsi muno.
Ojja gikola.
Era kasitamala okujja abaana bange muzigo. Nga ntandika olinoonyetako bali n'avaawa.
Ligule mukyalo.
Ne bwe n'abayiika emu. Urubalo tetugasiza sikyo? Sorry tata. Nkyagenda bafu. Si nkya.
Wangi?
Oyagala mukubya pressure. Oyagala kubya timo pressure.
Oyagala kunzita?
Ena abaleeta ebintu bya looni eyo baagala bakola ky'abantu. Kale batuyamba kwale tuba tetulina capital. Naye ate obeera ku pressure. N'akasente ke wandiridde oba olowooza looni.
Kati gwe bagambye eyo piki nga tugeze kanojjega ya looni. Oyinza kitemu okukubako wansi. Ziba ettaka. Ng'ogirina nga ya looni. Nakulya nkoko.
Tosobola.
Oba wakagiteeka mu ttama mmogone weesege. Bwe tuweka emisana.
Baba baagala ki?
Sente oba piki. Ozikweka emisana ogikweka. Ekiro weesuze. Umaza nga tonazookoka.
baba batuuseewo dda.
Naye nga zo zivaayo. Bwe mankedde n'enkola nga neewaddeyo kola kiro na ku makya. Batuyamba banaye ne batuwolako naye
tugaye sande tugasalibuziye yako sande omwana nga bakubusi Timo naye toogwo yonna bwede
naye nze ngamba ng'oli mukozi oba ogambye osobola okufuna ebiri ekitundu olunaku amagoba bw'oba oli mukozi osobola n'ofuna ezisingako awo
andi galula kuba nti kati ffe wali waffe kale tewakola nyekirya
ate waboda aliko nti nkolera wano
wali waffe saamusamusoba nga twebasi
ze mba nyina boda yange mba siriko nti nkolera wano kasitoma gyantwala gye ŋŋenda.
ati kasitoma gyantwala gyogenda naye nga
So guys, we are done and this is the final work. You can see it is dark, but I think you can see. This is the final work. The heater right here. The shower mixer there. The toilet seat right there. And also the hand washing basin here. In the master bedroom's house. Bathroom. Master bedroom. Bathroom. And also let me take you to the common bathroom. And you see. This is the common bathroom. And also it is done. You can see that is where the hand washing basin will be located. A toilet seat right here. You can see. Shower mixer. And a heater right there, a water heater up there. And also let me take you, I'm taking you this side, guys. You can see right here, there will be a sink. Right there. I'm taking you outside so that you can see. This is the final part outside. Yeah, that's it. That's the final, and also the hand washing basin on the dining area. Let me take you there. It is right there. That is it. I'm taking also the other side of the house so that you can have a 360 view of what we have done today. Outside, this is how this side looks like. The master bedroom. And also right here, that is it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video from the very beginning up the end. Thank you so much, everyone who has stuck here from the beginning up the end. And a very big thank you to Mama Teresa. Mama, thank you so much for making this possible. Thank you so much for financing me, Mama. Thank you so much for sacrificing your money and give to a stranger like me, Mama. Who am I? I feel so blessed, Mama. Thank you so much, Mama. You are an angel on earth, and I always ask God to bless you, to multiply your blessings and fulfill all your heartly desires and all your loud and silent prayers always, Mama. Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you so much. You have made my heart so happy. You have made my dreams become varied. Thank you, everyone. Let us meet in another video tomorrow when we are doing the electricity pipe work. For today, it has been only the plumbing work. So tomorrow, we shall be doing the electricity pipe work. Bye-bye.